Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create 3D icons with After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and we have simple pin illustrator file. Let's drag and drop into the composition and select this pin. Let's right mouse and go to create and create shapes from vector layer. Let's select this and select illustrator file, delete, select this pin outline, click this icon for 3D layer and right mouse, composition settings, go to 3D render and choose here render cinema 4D. Click OK, open inside and geometry options and extrusion depth. Let's change this 25. Go to active camera, let's choose here custom view 1. Let's change extrusion depth like this. Okay, we can choose custom view 2 or custom view 3. Okay, so let's back to active camera and let's create new camera tool. Right mouse, new and camera. Don't change any settings, click OK and press C for change camera movements. Okay, but I can't see any shadows or colors. This is very flat 3D object. Let's click session tool and create new light. Right mouse, new and light. Don't change any settings, click OK. So select the spotlight and open inside. Let's transform and move to left position like this and move to back to Z axis. Okay, select these pin outlines and press R. Let's change Y rotation like this. Okay, this is very smooth and we can see right now shadows and inside colors. So right now select the shape layer and go to pen behind. Move the anchor point down and let's change quality quarter for now. And select this Z axis. Move to center like this. Click session tool and right now we can create animation. Select this shape layer, press R, let's see. Okay, or Y rotation or X rotation. Okay, this time let's press S, open scale, change scale 0, create scale keyframe, go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in keyboard and change scale 102. Go to 10 keyframes, change 95. Again 10 keyframe, change 105. Again go to 10 keyframe, change 100. And select keyframes, make it easy or click F9. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's add rotation keyframes. Select shape layer, hold shift, press R, open rotation, and let's create Y rotation keyframe. Let's see. Okay, we can change rotation -60 and go to next keyframe. Change rotation a little bit like this and go to here, next keyframe, change again to right and next keyframe, change like this and here change to right. So select keyframes and make it easy. Let's see. So let's create a new background layer, solid layer, add name background, click OK and move to behind of layers, go to FS presses, search FA gradient ramp, select gradient ramp, let's use for background and start color, let's use blue and end color with eyedropper icon and change here to white blue and change ramp shape, radial ramp and click swap colors and move to down these points and let's change this like this and end color more blue and ramp scatter change 100. So in this time let's go to shape layers, hold this icon, create ellipse tool and let's create shadow like this. Click session tool and go to color, select black, click OK and press T, open opacity, change opacity like this, and move to behind of pin layer and move to here. And let's select pin layer, press U for see keyframe, select shape layer, change name shadow and press S. Okay, change scale 0, go to first second, create scale keyframe and go to here, change 100 and make it easy. Let's see. Okay, select let's keyframe, move to right, move to left a little bit. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good day.